Is your external component the GMap Net WinForms module DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish GMap project links. Before we begin the manual steps for GMap Net WinForms module, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the GMap Net WinForms module, the WinForms-specific rendering module for the GMap.net toolkit. It allows developers to embed maps inside standard Windows apps. If missing, specialized logistics and tracking software will display a blank window or report an assembly load failure during map visualization. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since GMap Net WinForms module DLL is an application-specific dependency for GMap Project, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the GMap Net WinForms module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. It is important to avoid manual installation of GMap Net WinForms module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to GMap Net WinForms module. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including GMap Net WinForms module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.